thing I'm getting to a holiday. I'm tackling the dressing table first, and I really wish I'd learned to put things away after I've used them, but you know, that's just not my style. We've only recently added this dressing table, and I'm not even sure how I coped before it, because the honestly making the bed is like a full-on workout. But I honestly don't think you can beat jumping into a freshly made bed at the end of the day. And please don't be fooled by this bath, because I know it's giving luxury home. Then it's so gorgeous. It's definitely my favourite one from the Astonish range, and I have got to admit, cleaning the bathrooms is probably my least favourite job to do in the house. But I always like to keep on top of it, because I feel like if you let it build up, it becomes such a bigger job. And it definitely always feels so much better once it's done. And this tropical disinfectant spray is getting a lot of use at the moment, because we are currently on our potty training journey, which feels like such a big milestone, because they really do grow up so quickly, don't they? Out of all the places to clean, the shower is probably the bottom of the list for me, but at least it means the clean is nearly over. And you know you've made it when the floor cleaner comes out. And this one from Astonish leaves your floors sparkling every time. And after a quick hoof of the bedroom and a wipe round of the bath, we are officially done.